Om Dharma Samsthapakaya Namaha.
Dharma Samsthapaka. Dharma Samsthapaka. One who establishes dharma. How does he establish dharma? Meaning, establishing the righteous values of life. How does he do it? Through karma and bhava. Karma means duties, responsibilities. Imagine when he told us to do something, how we were inspired to do. Isn't it? And in fact, we wanted to go to be with him and just to talk to him or whatever, just to see him. Therefore, when he said something to do, immediately we ran and did it so that we can go near him and say, Swamiji, I have done this. Little squirrel job we did. And for that, he patted us so much and created a DNA in us for yajna spirit. That's called the bhava. Bhava is the attitude of devotion and dedication. So, through karma, that is duties, responsibilities, and the bhava of devotion, dedication, yajna spirit. By this, he established the dharma. It's not that dharma is not there. Dharma is always there. But whenever there is a dharma, glani. Glani means hani. Hani means decline, decay. At that time, that's the glory of Hinduism. Whenever there is a decline, a great master rises in the horizon and replaces the dharma in its pristine glory. So when did Gurudev come? Just after the independence. Indian independence. 47 they got independence and then they thought free. Feverish confusions. Forgot their culture. Forgot the Bharatiya culture. So he came back to re-establish the Bharatiya culture. So this Dharma Samsthapaka, we stop here and we'll re-establish from next academic year. So next week is the last class. Who are all not coming next week? Raise your hand. So Diksha, watch. Anybody raising the hand? Because if my child is not playing the drama, why should I come, Swamiji? If I think like that, imagine. So, because if your child's drama is over and you say, I need not, you have to inspire others. So parents, note, if any other parent has not come, let me know their child's name and the parent's name, both. Find out. Okay? Good. Let us do the Shanti Mantra. And by the way, Dharma Samsthapaka is Abhyudaya Nishreyasa Prapti. That's how Gurudev did. Abhyudaya means growth. Nishreyasa. Shreyas means to know Shreyas, we must know the motto of Chinmaya Mission. What's the motto of Chinmaya Mission? To give maximum happiness to maximum number for maximum time. Imagine, that's what Gurudev gave as the motto of Chinmaya Mission. So what we should do? If you cannot give maximum happiness to maximum number for maximum time, at least do not give maximum sorrow to maximum number in minimum time. At least we should not do that. So, consciously give.
Om Dharma Samsthapakaya Namaha.